In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're finishing up a project or preparing to share your designs with others, knowing how to export your work properly is essential. Let's dive straight into the process to ensure you can do this confidently. First and foremost, you'll need to open Figma. It's a collaborative interface design tool, which means it's perfect for not just individual projects, but also team collaborations. Once you're in the Figma application or on the website, the next step is to log in. If you're already logged in, that's great. You can just proceed to the home section. If you need to log in, click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and enter your credentials. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience during this step. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home section, which is essentially your dashboard. This is where all your recent designs and any files shared with you are displayed. It's like the command center of your Figma workspace. Here, you'll want to locate the specific design file you're planning to export. Now, this might require a bit of scrolling if your home section is particularly full, but you can always use the search feature for a quicker find. After finding your desired file, click on it to open it. Now that the design file is open, the next step is to get ready to export. To do this, look for the File option, which is situated often in the upper part of the interface. Clicking File will give you a drop-down menu where the Export option resides. Here's a crucial step where attention to detail is important. Once you click on Export, you'll be presented with several export options. Figma allows you to export your design in multiple formats such as PNG, JPG, SVG, or even PDF depending on your requirements. Consider what format best suits your project needs. For instance, if you're sharing a quick preview, a PNG or JPG might suffice. However, for high resolution images or scalable formats, SVG or PDF would be more appropriate. Remember, Figma's export settings also allow you to customize the export resolution, so if you need high resolution files, be sure to adjust the settings accordingly before finalizing the export. Once you've selected your preferred settings, confirm the export action. Your design will be saved to your computer in the file format you selected. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export in Figma. With these steps, you're well equipped to share your designs efficiently with clients, team members, or even upload them to your portfolio. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to practice these steps to make exporting in Figma a seamless part of your design process.